In this lesson, let's learn about the properties of perpendicular bisectors. 垂直二等分線の性質. First, as shown in the figure on the right, when the lengths of AM and BM are equal, the point M is called the midpoint of the line segment AB. Next, the line L passing through the midpoint M and perpendicular to AB is called the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. As we learned previously, a line is said to be perpendicular if the angle formed by the two lines is a right angle. As a property of perpendicular bisectors, the points on the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB are equal distances from the 2 points A and B. In this figure, we can say that point C is an equal distance from the 2 points A and B. Also, any point at equal distance from the 2 points A and B can be said to lie on the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB at any time. In this figure, points C and D are on the perpendicular bisector of line AB. That concludes our explanation of perpendicular bisectors. This problem can be solved using the property of perpendicular bisectors. Read the following problem. Since line L is the perpendicular bisector of line AB, we can say that the intersection of line L and line AB is the midpoint of line AB. If this midpoint is M, then AM equals BM, and we write a symbol indicating that the lengths are equal, as shown in the figure. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. The answer to number 1 is shown in the figure. Were you able to answer correctly? Make sure to review problems that you get wrong. Finally, let's review what we have learned. When the line L is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB, as shown in the figure on the right, the following 3 properties hold true. First, AM equals BM, and point M is the midpoint of the line AB. Second, line L and line segment AB intersect perpendicularly. Lastly, since point C is at equal distance from the 2 points A and B, AC equals BC. That concludes this lesson.